Let's look at how we can print stock lists from your locked on account. To do this, you'll go into your properties database and you'll be able to filter to your list of listings or rentals. Now that you have the list, you'll be able to use the select all option, go to the actions option, and then select create stock list. Give your stock list a heading. Then you'll be able to choose from the internal stock list, which is for your staff, which will contain all of the owner details and contact numbers, or a public stock list, which you can print out and give to potential buyers. For this example, we'll do a public. Hit the green button Generate and download stock lists. This will then create the PDF stock list that will present to you in your browser. If this does not appear, please check there is no pop-up blockers in your browser stopping this PDF from appearing. Sometimes the pop-up blocker can be located in the top right of your URL bar. Here we can now see that we have the PDF stock list. To download this, you can use the download option or the print option located next to that.